This is exactly how I fix no opponents found in Seasons FC26. So first I'm just gonna enter Seasons here in my FC26 game, as you can see. And perfect, I'm now on this right here, as you can see, on Seasons. So if I click on play match here, as you can see, and then you're gonna click on search, but you're not able to find any opponents. Well, what you need to do is to change team. I would recommend to use a pretty strong team, because unfortunately, like most of the players on this game uses strong teams. So if you use not that strong team, unfortunately, you will most likely not be able to get matched that fast, or maybe not at all, because most people use strong teams and you will most likely face similar teams to you. So if you don't use a strong team, you will most likely not be able to find any opponent, just so you know. But you should also go to the matchmaking settings here, and you can see controls. I would suggest you to use any club quality matching. You can say open here actually, club type any, guests any here, as you can see. Make sure to have these 4 settings. That helped me a lot. The last thing you have to do, by the way, is to go back to your homepage. If you're using, for example, your PlayStation 5 or Xbox or PC even, you just have to basically close the game. Just close the game completely and then re-enter it and try once again. This fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.